Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday, everybody. Hey, we're going to let everybody get back in. I am broadcasting from home today, KC. I actually am in Phoenix. So I'm broadcasting from the house. Want to get on this, keep continuing on and talking about lending products. I am for let people join us. But for everyone there, I am Daryl Johnson, founder and CEO of Business Credit Works. And we specialize in business credit files, working with Dun& and Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax, helping to create a credit score and credit profile, and that sets you up for um, to get better rates on loans, insurance, bond insurance, business insurance. Everything goes back to a score, guys, whether it's personal or business. That credit score speaks to character. So if your company has a good credit score, that means your company has good credit or good character. But this week we've been talking about loan programs and products because I feel it's important that we as business owners, you come to the table with a working knowledge of the different loan programs and types that are out there and available. And then you work with varying lenders to find out what's going to be best for you, your business, more importantly, your business and your family. What this loan program today, where is it going to put you in a year from now or 2 years from now? And if you're in a position where it's credit driven, personal credit driven, even business credit driven, and you don't have the best credit scores, you basically are you have to take what's available to you at that time. That's why it's so important to just go ahead and get your consumer credit, your business credit, and your bookkeeping together so you're not basically dependent upon getting a bad loan program. And bad, not in the sense of, well, in the sense of bad rates and bad terms, but you put yourself there because you didn't plan and get your consumer credit, your business credit, and your books together where any lending institution can give you better rates and better terms. If you come to any of us, we can only work with what you come to the table with. Okay. And I jokingly say, don't get mad at the lender. You knew you had bad credit when you came in the door. And now your business is in a position where it needs additional capital for an expansion, growth, or just to pay the bills because you've got a bad month or 2 months where vendors maybe slow pay or no pay, where you need additional capital. So it's very, very, very important to always have your consumer credit, business credit, and books together. I can't stress that enough. You guys will get tired of me talking about it, but we've got to do better. We've got to do better and give lending institutions more data, positive data to work with. And that's how it starts. Okay. I think we give it enough time for people to get on, join us for today's live. So I'm going to talk about today, we're going to talk about a very, very fun product that some people might know of, some might not know of. And what it is 401k financing and IRA financing. Did you know that you can basically be your own bank and fund your business using your 401k or your IRA? And what you do, you'll pay yourself back into that 401k or IRA account. So we're going to talk about that type of loan program today. Let me go ahead and share slide here. I'm getting pretty good at this, guys. All right. And let me speak too soon, it won't work, right? Okay, let me share this to the stream with us. And I am going to see if I can back out of this altogether and just show the slide itself. Bear with me. Oh, that's a cool view. We don't want to do that one. I'm trying to show just the slide itself. Okay, let me do this. Oh, there we go. Okay. So you guys know what I look like. Uncle Phil from Fresh Prince, okay? But today's topic is the 401k plan to let your 401k and IRA fund your business. Very, very powerful, especially those of you that are in corporate America that might have left corporate America but have a nice size 401k or IRA that you can use to fund your business. Okay. So, what is needed? The collateral. The collateral is the 401k or IRA. In each step of the process, we have advisors that are helping you step through the process and transferring your 1K and using it as collateral basically for your business. One of the things is you can't be currently employed by the company. Of course, you have to have left the company, and it has a minimum of 35K to be able to pull from. Okay. The 401k, the setup steps is form a C Corp. And the advisors will help you step through this whole entire process to do that. Form a C Corp. The corporation starts the 401k plan. Then you roll it over into the new 401k. And then that new 401k invests in your corporation, your C Corp. So, in essence, you're becoming your own bank, your own lender. That's a very high snapshot of the 401k financing, IRA financing. Some of the benefits, it's a safe, long-standing IRS proven method. IRS has guidelines on this. That's why it's so important to work with a lender that understands this program and can step you through the whole entire process, meeting those IRA guidelines. And by doing this, you pay no tax penalties. Well, you guys know, I'm sure the first pushback is going to be, well, if I use my 401k, isn't that distribution? And then I'll be penalized on that because I'm not of age. Well, no, because you're transferring it over to, because you left your company, so therefore you can roll it over. So that rollover into your new 401k that now you control, that corporation now can invest in your business. It also reports to the business credit reporting agencies. That's huge. Every vendor that we work with, we want to see if they report to the business credit bureaus because that's going to give what I call a twofer, meaning not only do you get benefit from working with that particular vendor for whatever service or product that you need in any way, but now it reports to the business credit bureaus, Dun and Bradstreet, Experian, or Equifax. So it's helping you build that business credit score and credit profile. Funding takes anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks. Like I said, it is a process, and we've got advisors that steps you through that whole entire program and process. But it's a pretty good option available for you guys that are what I call a hybrid program, where you've left corporate America, for example, and now you're starting your business on your own. Let your 401k or IRA of $35,000 or more, and those guidelines, remember what I always say, the money rules change. So today, the guidelines are this, but when you're ready for it, the guidelines might have increased where it might needs to be 45K or 50K. And certainly talk with your CPA about this and do your due diligence, as I always stress. Research everything. You have a working knowledge of things, and then you can actually come to the table and ask more in-depth questions because you have a working knowledge of the product or the program. Okay. So today was short and sweet. Just wanted to come on and talk about that 401k, letting that an option for, okay. That's a very good option. And then you make payments back to the 401k or the IRA, which keeps it intact. So it's a creative way to fund your business. But as I stress always, do your research, do your due diligence, talk to your CPA, talk to your people. and see if this is a viable option for you to find out the good, the bad, the ugly of everything. Any program, product, service that you go into, always ask the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay. So I hope you guys got value today from this quick hit talking about a 401k, basically being your own bank, using your 401k or your IRA. And here at Business Credit Works, we do offer that option, working with our some loan broker, working with the different financing companies we have on our platform. We do offer that program. So if you want to have a more in-depth conversation, it's pretty straightforward though. The next step would be to get you into underwriting and get you connected to that lending institution to talk more in depth. But reach out, give us a call, schedule an appointment. Website has a appointment calendar on there. We can do a Zoom and or a phone call, and that's businesscreditworks.com. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off here. It's a little bit cooler here in Phoenix. I think what are we at? 91 right now. So I won't go outside and instantly, spontaneously combust. But it's getting to be that time of the year why I'm going to say this is why I moved back here. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Have a good day, and we'll be talking soon.